How to save Facebook Reels video in gallery without any application. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Facebook application. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version on your device. Then all you have to do is just go to your profile at the top right corner. Then you can see the option of Reels. Just tap on Reels. Any reels that you want. Then here you can see the three dotted lines over here, or you can just go for the share option, and you can see the option of copy link. So just tap on copy link. Now exit from your Facebook application and go to your Chrome browser, and on the Chrome browser you just have to search for and you can see different options available for you over here. So you can just tap on any of the options available. So here I'm going for this Facebook video downloader. Now the link that we had copied earlier, you just have to paste the URL over here, tap on that and tap on download, and it will be downloaded on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.